Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Pure Ocean Eyes here. I'm so excited for you to join me today. It's actually a beautiful Sunday afternoon. The sun is shining here in Fort Lauderdale, and I'm about to board a yacht, a 3-story yacht, and I'm super excited. They're actually cutting people. We got invited to go out for a little party, and they're making cuts as we speak. So hopefully we get on the boat. There's about 30 people here. They're all waiting to see what the plan is, but hopefully we get in, and then we'll show you around. Beautiful Sunday. We actually had a cold front come in here in Fort Lauderdale the past couple days, but today is beautiful. The sun feels so good. Yes, I have a windbreaker on because I don't know if it's going to be cold out on the water, and so I'd always want to be prepared than begging for a towel to wrap up in, which I probably wrap up in a towel because my legs might get a little chilly, but I don't know. I'm curious if the water will be warm or cold today. All right, we're jumping on this absolute 58 fly, and guess what? We were the lucky ones. So at 4:30 till sunset, we're gonna watch the sun go down, and we were the chosen ones. So we're gonna jump on, party a little bit, have fun, and then in about like an hour, we're gonna head out to sea. So let's go. All right, guys, let's go take a look. Let's go explore. I think this is where we're gonna watch the sunset tonight. Oh my gosh, this is like theater seating right now. This is wild. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Waterproof cushions. Oh my goodness. So fun. I can't wait to see the sunset this evening. It's gonna be beautiful. Let's go check out what else there is. Alright guys, you can see, very classy, Salimar. Alright guys, let's go eat. Alright, there's a lot of people on the 3rd level, a lot of people on the 2nd level inside the cabin. No one's allowed on the 1st floor story, but I did find out from the captain that there are 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms on this yacht. How wild. Hopefully he'll let us in later, maybe when we go see the sunset, maybe for us. Fingers crossed. We always get lucky, don't we? I haven't asked yet, but I want to ask. But there's tons of food. It's like a big potluck. We got chosen to go out for 2 hours to watch the sunset, and then we'll come back and everyone's gonna party some more. But I guess there was a story that yesterday they had way too many people on the boat, and someone had slipped, and there was an accident that happened on the boat yesterday, and so legally we gotta play by the rules today. So I guess we're in for a treat. But so there's tons of food inside, and I'm being a little mindful. We went and just grabbed some food for ourselves. Panera, keep it simple. There's so many cookies and candy and treats and lots of lots of snacks. You guys know what a potluck is. And so I'm just being mindful and just eating a low-calorie sandwich so I can stay focused on my goals. But other than that, oh my gosh, the sun is really hot. I'm burning up. I think I gotta take this off. The sun is really hot. Oh my goodness. For the quality of this video, when the boat is in motion on the ocean, I will be muting the mic. As you can see, I'm super excited here, and I found the captain's hat and decided to go outside, and it was extremely windy and very chilly. Hold on to your hat, folks. Also, there was a DJ in the back of the boat which set the whole vibe for the adventure, but for copyright's sake, we have to mute the music. Alright guys, this is my first time speaking on a mic with the wind on the ocean, so bear with me here, but this was a pretty wild adventure for sure. I loved it. The sun was shining and it was just such a beautiful moment. This was my first time on a yacht watching the sunset, and so I was so excited. My heart was so warm, even though it was ice cold outside. So when we got back to the dock after the sunset, I did get a sneak peek of the third story, second story, and first story master bedroom. Side note, this is a $3.5 million yacht, so this might be my favorite boat I've been on so far. Sunset adventure on a 3-story yacht, and be sure to subscribe and check me out for your ocean eyes.